Let us now see how to comprehend reports. Reports are an important tool in business decision making. As for format, reports range from a simpler format with headings to indicate topics to more complex formats, including charts, tables, figures, pictures, tables of content, abstracts, summaries, appendices, footnotes, hyperlinks, and references, etc. Financial statements are usually prepared once a year, but can be prepared more often. Reports which can be generated from Reach software, Reports tab. There are various formats of report you can get, such as financial reports, tax report, payroll report, and stock report. In Financial Report tab, there are various reports you can generate, such as Daybook of Everyday Cash and Credit Transactions, General Ledger for all accounts, Trial Balance of the all entity, Profit and loss for particular period of time, Balance sheet of the business value, Overdue invoice snapshots, Outstanding expenses, Cost center for various income and expenses. Tax report gives the various comprehending reports such as VAT, service tax, tax deductible, at source, and TDS payable. Payroll report gives you the structure of the various transactions of payroll. Products report gives you the stock report of particular product in specific time. Aging stock reports gives you aging stock report for all products. Compilation stock reports gives you a stock report of all products. Comprehending the Daybook. To comprehend the Daybook in Reach software, go to Reports tab and click Daybook. You will get the comprehensive Daybook report. Comprehending the General Ledger. Ledger is a book of accounts in which data from transactions recorded in journals are posted and thereby classified and summarized. The ledger is typically divided into traditionally physical separate books. So, Reach Ledger can be called Digital Ledger. To comprehend the General Ledger in Reach software, go to Reports tab and click General Ledger. You will get the comprehensive General Ledger report. Comprehending the Trail Balance. Let's see comprehending the trail balance. Trail balance gives a summary view of accounts, balance of business transaction on a given date with income sources balance, expenditure, detail both revenue and capital account closing balance. To comprehend the trail balance in Reach software, go to Reports tab and click the Trail Balance. You will get the comprehensive trail balance report. comprehending the profit and loss. Let's see comprehending the profit and loss. Profit and loss account displays a summary of sources, income and expenses incurred by business entity for a selected period and gives whether operation is success. So, a net profit will be seen bottom of profit and loss account. View a profit and loss account in Reach software. Go to Reports tab and click Profit and Loss icon. A general profit and loss will be shown here. View a profit and loss account in Reach software. Comprehending the balance sheet. Let's see comprehending the balance sheet. Balance sheet is a financial statement for a given date. It is a display of financial affair of business done with sources of funds and application of fund. Go to Reports tab and click Balance Sheet. Select Date of Balance Sheet. User can view a balance sheet of the business. Comprehending the overdue invoices. Let's see comprehending the overdue invoices. Overdue invoices report is summary view of customer due receivable by business as on day, displays amount of due and period of amount on selected date. Go to Reports tab and click Overdue Invoice. A summary report with type of invoice, amount outstanding from customer, name of customer, date of invoice raised, status, balance pending amount with total outstanding days due is shown here. Now we will see comprehending the outstanding expenses. An expense at the end of accounting period. That is, there may be expenses which have become due but have not yet been paid. A sample report of customer outstanding report from Reach software. Go to Reports tab and click Outstanding Expenses icon. The Outstanding Expenses report is shown here. Now let's see comprehending the cost center. Cost report gives the detailed expense incurred or income sources of department in product wise. Go to Reports tab and click Cost Center of Report. And user need to select period, of which report need to click Filter button. The cost center of both income and expenses are displayed here. Let's see comprehending the VAT report. Go to Reports tab and click VAT report. On clicking VAT report, an user need to select month of which VAT report and need to click Filter button to check selected month. VAT report on top is a summary of output tax lessened by input VAT tax collected with net payable will display. Below, annexure of tax in which collected and payable VAT detail with segregation a per rate of tax. Reach VAT report is able to convert into Excel sheet and file to Commercial Tax Department of Sale. Let's see comprehending the service tax report. Go to Reports tab and click Service Tax Report. Then select period for which report need to be checked and click Filter. A report with display of service tax collected, with input tax, with liability payable will be displayed. Let's see Comprehending the Income Tax Report. Go to Reports tab and click Tax Deducted at Sources icon and select time period of TDS and then click Filter. A monthly TDS will be displayed here. Let's see TDS Payable Report. Go to Reports tab and click TDS Payable icon and select month of the TDS Payable Report to need and then click Filter. The amount of tax payable to Income Tax Department is displayed here. Comprehending the Payroll Report. Payroll Report gives a view of salary sheet which is payable to staff for a month. Go to Reports tab and click Payroll Reports icon. Select the period of time and click Export. On clicking Export, the downloaded pop-up box is shown. And click OK to view the payroll transactions sheet. With Reach Accountant software, you will be able to export the payroll report in Excel sheet format. An exported Reach payroll register can be viewed at Report section in same manual. Let us now see Comprehending the Inventory Report. Go to Reports tab and click Products Reports icon to see the product report for the month. Click Monthly Summary to view the monthly product report.